Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Diywithkanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful card which you can gift it to your friends on New Year or any other occasion, and also I will show you how you can make two different cards with same material. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. So to make this card we need very few things. One is stamp and then glitter sheet. We'll be cutting out these kind of leaves from the stamp, and we need it around 10 to 15 leaves. To make the flowers, we'll take one more stamp, that is flower stamp, but this is a form sheet. So we'll draw the flower and then we'll cut it with a pair of scissors. Now to stick the flower, we'll be taking hot glue gun and we'll stick our flower and hold it for a while. So this is how the flowers is going to look, and for the center I'm going to take out small pieces with a single puncher and we'll stick it in the center of the flower. Now to make the base, we'll take this fabric color. This is a glitter fabric color. Now take out some color on the base and then spread it with the help of brush. Once our base is done, we'll be taking this doily paper and I'm going to fold it like this, and I will be sticking it with the hot glue gun. Now start sticking your flowers and leaves. Now once that is done, we'll be taking our 3D color and we'll start making small dots. They look like pearls when they dry and they look very pretty. Now I'll leave that card to dry and we'll make our second card by making a circle. Now start taking out the sticker and start sticking our leaves. I have taken this specific sheet which sticks from the back. If you don't have this available, you can simply take normal glitter sheet and then you can stick it with the help of any glue. Once our cards are done, we'll be sticking them with this Fevi-stick and they are ready. Now we'll write best wishes on that. If you have stamps, you can stick stamps on that, or if you have any stickers, you can stick stickers. So our handmade greeting card is ready. Now you can gift it to your friends and family members. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.
And Happy New Year.